Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be opening up 5 LEGO Minifigures Series 20. So let's see what we get. First things first, let's go to the first one, which is it looks like the oh yeah, I was showing this guy, yeah. It's that guy, I'll show you guys soon. Okay, so here he is. He's got a green sort of Flexi Sword. Pretty basic minifigure in my opinion. There's the printing, pretty cool headpiece right there. There's a look at the back, dual molded legs, and face print, which is just that. Right there. Next up, we got another one, and what is this one? Okay, wasn't expecting this one, because I did actually feel this. He seems to be this kind of medieval themed minifigure. Does have a shield with that printing right there on it. Just your standard sword. There's a close look at the printing. Again, dual molded legs. There's a look at the back. And he does use this helmet, which just covers his head with a face print, which is just that. Bad pack. Okay, it looks like the rocket guy's one actually looks kind of cool, and I just sort of wanted to get this one, so yeah. Okay, so this one, which is probably my favourite one, it's a space themed sort of minifigure. Does have this small rocket prototype right here, which does have NASA printing right there. Then there is this diagram of the rocket, which is that. There is her printing. She also has a spanner. There's the face, and she does also have an alternate face, which is that. There's the hat, and yeah. Fourth pack. Ah, yeah, that's the brick guy. This guy looks kind of cool as well. Here's this guy, also quite cool. I'm pretty sure he's the same brick torso piece as what they used in the Series 18 series, but this Series 20 was LEGO's 10th anniversary generation of LEGO minifigures, so that's why they're doing this, and it does say 10 right there. And there's a look at the face, and yeah, that's about it. Moving on to our last pack. Okay, it is the boxer dude. Here is our last minifigure for today. I know I said boxer dude. This guy's sort of boxer dude, like fighting guy, with the nunchucks right here. Pretty cool piece actually. Was quite easy to fill for when I felt it before. But other than that, he doesn't have too much going on. Just this white and black sort of printing. No dual model legs, and that's the face, which is kind of interesting, and yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, have a good one, goodbye.